IceStation products protect computer systems from dangers like dust, dirt, grease, and splashing fluids. Introducing the NEMA 12 IceStation Titan, a freestanding computer enclosure constructed out of 14-gauge steel. The Titan stands 60 inches high by 30 inches wide by 27 inches deep. It is available in blue, gray, black, or any custom RAL color. The oversized window allows for a 16:9 widescreen monitor up to 24 inches. Window options include polycarbonate or tempered safety glass. Panel mount devices, switches, and indicators can be mounted to the sloped work surface. The work surface also provides room for folders and documents. The retractable keyboard drawer measures 24 inches wide with space to house and protect a keyboard and mouse. When extended, simply fold down the front of the drawer to provide an ergonomic wrist rest. There is plenty of space under the keyboard drawer for a PC, printer, UPS, or other electronics. For easy placement of electronics, the Titan comes standard with a fixed shelf. The Titan has an adjustable monitor shelf and features popular VESA mounting patterns to mount the monitor to the shelf. The rear door measures 49 inches high by 25 inches wide and is ideal for accessing the back of your electronics. Cables are easily threaded into the enclosure through a gasketed split panel. The wing nuts create a NEMA 12 dust-proof seal. Heavy-duty casters are a standard feature and swivel for positioning. The front casters can be locked when the enclosure is in its desired location. Customize the Titan with various accessories including filtered fans, air conditioners, a Vortex cooling unit, 6-outlet surge protector, power cord, 19-inch wide rack channel, and sub-panels. Maintain security with key-lockable latches on the front doors, keyboard drawer, and rear door. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or simply visit itsenclosures.com to see all of our heavy-duty products and installation videos.